Hey there! Ready to customize your desktop icons and make them bigger or smaller on Windows 11? Let's get started. So, first things first, just right click anywhere on your desktop. A handy context menu will pop up right before your eyes. Next up, hover your mouse cursor over the view option. You'll see the different icon sizes neatly listed there. Now, you can make those icons bigger, simply select large icons. Want them medium sized? Go ahead and pick medium icons. And for those who prefer smaller icons, just click on small icons. But hey, if you're a keyboard shortcut enthusiast, we've got you covered there too. Simply Ctrl plus Shift plus 2 or for larger icons, Ctrl plus Shift plus 3 for medium icons, and Ctrl plus Shift plus 4 for smaller icons. Easy peasy, right? And that's a wrap. You successfully adjusted the size of your icons on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.